Hello, Infantil 3. How are you? Good? Infantil 3. Today, I have here with me ice and a mug with hot tea. Can you see the steam? That is because my tea is very hot. Can you tell me something that is hot? Good job. Can you tell me something that is cold, like the ice? Good job. Now, look what we are going to do. When you open your book on page 5, we have here the sun, ice cubes, snowman, lamp, oven, fridge, tea, ice cream, fire, and we also have an igloo. Igloo is a house made of ice, of snow. Now, I want you to think, in everything that's very, very cold, we are going to make a circle. In everything that is hot, we are going to make an X, okay? I want to see if you can find out if it's hot or cold with all of the pictures you have on your page. Okay? When you finish, take a picture and send it to me because I really want to see. Okay. Bye-bye.